Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll explain how to set up DNS for branded links in reply. Since the creation of DNS records depend on your DNS provider, the process of adding those records will vary from one DNS provider to another. In this video, I'll show you how to add CNAME and text records for a few popular hosting providers: Namecheap, Wix, and GoDaddy. Let's start with Namecheap. The first thing you need to do is sign into your Namecheap account. Then, in the left side menu, select Domain List and click the Manage button next to your domain. From here, navigate to the Advanced DNS tab, Host Record section, and click the Add New Record button. Let's add a CNAME record first. To do that, in the Type drop-down list, select CNAME record. For host and value fields, copy and paste corresponding CNAME records from Reply's branded link wizard. Make sure to click the Save All Changes button each time you need to save the record. Once you're done with the CNAME record, you can go ahead and add a text record for your domain here on the Advanced DNS tab, in the Host Record section. Just like for the CNAME record, click the Add New Record button. In the Type drop-down list, select Text Record. For hosts and value fields, copy and paste corresponding text records from Reply's branded link wizard. Finally, click the Save All Changes button and you're all set. Normally, it takes 30 minutes for newly created host records to take effect. Now that you've added both CNAME and text records to your hosting provider's DNS, make sure to go back to Reply's branded link wizard and click the Save button. The new branded link will be added to the Branded Links tab on Reply's settings page. Now I'll walk you through adding CNAME and text records for the Wix provider. To add the records for your domain, sign into your Wix account and go to the Domains page. Now click the Show More icon next to your domain and select Manage DNS Records. To add a CNAME record, in the CNAME section, click Add Record. Then, click the hostname field and enter the CNAME host record from Reply's branded link wizard. Then, click the value field and enter the value CNAME record from Reply's branded link wizard. Finally, set TTL, which determines how long the server should cache information, and click Save. Once you've added a CNAME record, you can go ahead and add a text record for your domain. To do that, in the text section, click Add Record. Then, click the hostname field and paste the text host name you copied from Reply's branded link wizard. Next, click the value field and enter the text value from Reply's branded link wizard. Finally, set TTL, click Save, and you're all set. Now that you've added both CNAME and text records to your hosting provider's DNS, make sure to go back to Reply's branded link wizard and click the Save button. The new branded link will be added to the Branded Links tab on Reply's settings page. Now, let's add DNS records for the GoDaddy provider. To do that, log into your GoDaddy Domain Control Center. Then, in the Domain section, under Additional Settings, select Manage DNS. Now, click Add under the table with existing DNS records. To add a CNAME record, under Type, select CNAME and enter the details for your CNAME record. For host, enter the CNAME host record from the Reply's branded link wizard. Keep in mind that the host cannot exceed 25 characters or be the @ symbol. For points to, enter the CNAME value record from the Reply's branded link wizard. Finally, set TTL, and when done, click Save. To add a text record, once again, click Add under the table with existing DNS records. Then, under Type, select Text and enter the details for your text record. For host and text value, copy and paste corresponding text records from the Reply's branded link wizard. When done, click Save to save the record. And you're all set. Allow up to 48 hours for your DNS changes to take full effect globally. Now that you've added both CNAME and text records to your hosting provider's DNS, make sure to go back to Reply's branded link wizard and click the Save button. The new branded link will be added to the Branded Links tab on Reply's settings page. This concludes the tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If your DNS provider is not covered in this video, you can always find the instructions in the support section of your hosting website. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via support@reply.io. Thanks for watching and have a great day.